Hello, it's Hannah here and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Volkswagen Arteon R-Line finished in a Pyrite Silver Metallic Paintwork. This 2023 model comes with a 2-litre petrol engine and automatic transmission, perfect for a nippy family upgrade. It comes equipped with electric folding door mirrors for added protection when parked, followed by automatic headlights so you know they'll always be on. This vehicle is sat on 19-inch Montevideo black alloy wheels, contrasting nicely against the paintwork. As we enter the boot space, you can see this is a large area, perfect for all your necessities or any weekend trips away you may have planned, with an electric tailgate perfect for those handful moments. Moving into the rear seats with a part leather upholstery offering a relaxing and comfortable finish with a suede material down the centre, followed by a pull-down armrest with cup holders built in, and free-zone air climate is also accessible. Onto the front with a multifunctioning steering wheel with central touch display, the part leather finish follows through to the front, allowing a luxurious and comfortable driving experience with the suede material down the centre and the embroidered R for a sporty look. If that wasn't enough, then you have your panoramic sunroof, perfect for those sunny days. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connections. Assist systems such as cruise control or speed limits features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving on to your central infotainment system, you've got a variety of different radio stations that you can choose from that will keep you entertained along your journeys. Your navigation system is easily accessible so you can get directions a lot safer whilst driving. App Connect allows you to connect your phone to the car so you can access apps such as Spotify or Apple Music whilst on the go. You can also access your messages. Your climate controls will be found on screen and below screen, where you can customise the temperature of the car. Below the screen you can also access your heated seats for them colder months. For extra safety, you've got your parking sensors, which are perfect for those awkward and tight manoeuvres, especially in busy car parks. Finishing off with your console with a wireless charger, cup holders and a central console armrest for any extra storage you may need. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.